What is in my fridge? Here we go. Okay, there is beer, non-fat milk, salsa, teriyaki sauce, spaghetti sauce, ranch dressing, margarita mix, a tomato paste, fat-free cottage cheese, many different kinds of cheese, tuna salad mixed up, brie, ranch dressing, non-fat black cherry yogurt, Carly's Dr. Pepper, my Trader Joe's canned latte, Japanese soda, Parmesan cheese, fruit that's going bad, garlic, mayonnaise, lemon juice, champagne, more fat-free milk, jelly, various dressings, barbecue sauces, and syrup. Now let's see what's in the freezer. Tofutti cuties, ice, chicken nuggets, tofu corn dogs, sausages, peas, corn, onions, garden burgers, cookie dough, and what's that? Eggplant parmesan from Trader Joe's. That's my fridge and freezer. What do you know about me from that?